Hi, this is Colin D with North Texas Facial Plastic Surgery. I sometimes get asked about my general philosophy when it comes to rhinoplasty. That's highly independent based on the patient, but there are some generalities. The general concept for me is kind of laid to the foundation of nasal function. So I did ear, nose, and throat before I became a facial plastic surgeon, board certified in both. I also trained with a world-class surgeon who really kind of revolutionized how rhinoplasty is done worldwide, and that basis was done so on what's called a open structure approach, which means provide structure to the nose so that you can predict how it will heal because there's enough support underneath the skin and soft tissue that you can predict what, as time goes on, scar tissue comes in, swelling comes in, it will predict how it comes in and what the final shape will be. That being said, it's pretty conservative. I don't tend to perform a lot of rhinoplasty where there's a drastic change unless there needs to be one. You certainly can check out before and afters on our website and it will show some pretty drastic changes, but for the most part, those drastic changes are from an unnatural appearance to a more natural appearance. I think some of my happiest patients are the ones that have just a slightly better version of themselves, kind of smoothing out some rough edges or some things that are either disproportionate, asymmetric, crooked, etc. But they follow some basic cosmetic and aesthetic principles. And that's one reason why I spend about an hour with all my new rhinoplasty patients, because we actually take your photographs and I sit down personally with you and walk through the computer imaging to show you the potential changes and explain why that's a good idea in your nose specifically, given your ethnicity, your facial proportions, etc. And so it's a highly individualized process, but in general, I want to focus on function as kind of the foundation, and on top of that, let's smooth some things out so that the proportions, the symmetry fits with the rest of your face, and hopefully it accomplishes the goals that you're looking for. Happy to talk more in person. Feel free to reach out to us or check out more of our videos and before and afters online.